Voiceover, you say? Interesting.
Austin Zajur live.
What is up, YouTube? I hope you are safe and well. I'm Austin Zajur. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Some of you may not know and some of you may know, but I do a little voiceover. I dabble with some voice acting.
You know what it is, what it do.
I am the voice of Little Lungs.
In a great big world.
So I did those about 4 years ago in New York City when I lived there. And the client who did those, the FDA, asked me if my voice has changed because they want to do some more of them.
Has your voice changed? That's a good one, you prepubescent child. It has not changed for either of us.
I still have a high voice.
I
Don't think it really has.
But I'm gonna do some voiceover and send some tests over to him. So I'm gonna try to like redo those commercials, man. And we're gonna do it together, and it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna just have a good time. And I'm gonna try to teach you stuff that I know about voiceover if I can, because maybe you want to do that. I don't know what you want to do. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're well, and just stay home for the old people, because I mean, they're not all that bad. They're cute too. I'm gonna stop talking about old people. Let's do this. Normally I would go do this at the agency that I'm with, Abrams Artists. But since it's quarantine, I get to do it in my closet. I did buy a microphone before quarantine, the SHURE SM7B. I don't really know what it's called exactly, actually. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, I have all this stuff and we're gonna do this, so let's do it. Come on in. Okay, so spot number one that we're doing is they want me to say all the lines that I said in this spot 4 years ago. That's me.
The story of a pair of lungs that smoked as a teen and never grew to normal size.
Hey, little lungs, want to snowboard with us?
Sounds great, count me in. Sounds great, count me in. Woo, I am shredding it.
Speed up!
My little lungs can't get enough air.
Smoking as a teen can stunt your lungs, keeping them little forever.
Poor little lungs.
In a great big world.
So that is the first spot that we're gonna do to send to the client. I think I sound the same. I really hope so, because it'd be very unfortunate if they
Show somebody else's voice because I made money from this and I need more of it because it's scary during quarantine.
But you know, it is what it is, so we'll see what happens. I don't really care if I get it or not. Normally with voiceover, you have to audition and send a self-record audition to like a casting director or something. But for this, since I already did a bunch of spots, they just want to make sure my voice is the same. But if you want to see a video where like I just do like a self-record audition for like something else totally different that I haven't booked,
Let me know that, because I can do that, and I can get into depth with it, even though I'm just not the perfect one to tell you, but I can because I've done it a little bit, so yeah.
I apologize. I've been cooped up in this house for way too long. Help me.
and here's spot number dos.
Little lungs in a great big world.
The story of a pair of lungs that smoked as a teen and never grew to normal size.
My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this.
I got this.
Smoking as a teen can stunt your lungs,
Ow.
keeping them little forever.
Better luck next year, little lungs.
In a great big world.
Honestly, these commercials are pretty dark. I never like actually realized it because I was like, oh, I'm making money, I'm doing a commercial. But these are pretty dark. I mean, honestly, for the FDA, this is intense stuff. But let's do it. Let's do it. I think my best solution for this is because I don't have a script and I don't remember the lines. There aren't that many lines, but it's just a lot of screams. I'm gonna just have it in my ear and just let the commercial play and just go, ah! And do all the screams and stuff. Harley's parents are upstairs, so they may think I'm dying or killing her or hurting her. I don't know. Let's hope that's not a thing. Mr. Kevin Smith, I'm sorry for what's about to happen. We are in, man. It sounds so much better. Am I right or am I right? Normally I would slay to be like, I'm Austin Zajur with Abrams or Austin Zajur with Abrams. But for these purposes, because these people know me, the little ones people know me, we are not going to do that. Fart. That was my actual fart, not a sound effect. Sorry you had to see that, folks. Hear that. You know what I mean. Not smell it, though. That's me. Let's do the screaming one first. The happy birthday, because, I mean, that is the louder one, and I don't want Harley's parents to call the cops. So let's do that. Also, before you do any type of voiceover, at least for me, I like to get a little caffeine in me.
Oh, I just chugged a lot of espresso.
All right, let's dive in.
I got this.
This is gonna be hard to match this up.
Ow. Keeping them little forever.
Better luck next year, little lungs.
In a great big world.
This is gonna be harder for me than I thought. That was disgusting.
Sorry about that.
My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! 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 Ah! I don't know. Dude, this is harder than I thought. Maybe I'm making it harder than I feel like I am. I don't know. We're gonna just do my little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Also, when I'm acting, I like to have like a thought before it. So like in this, it's like, okay, my little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Also, it's good to be like this far apart from the mic. Like a little, oh boy. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. I'm trying to like act like I don't have any breath for the little lungs. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. I think those are probably solid beginning ones. Let's see how that works. Now let's try the other. Let's do the other. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Ow. Dude, am I doing this right? What? I need this job, so I want to do it right, man. Is the thing. I'm gonna watch how I say the first line.
My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this.
My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Okay, that's it, dude. I'm getting too into this. This is it is what it is. Let's just do it. My little lungs are gonna need a lot of air for this. Ow. Okay, that's enough for number one, I think, dude. I don't even know. Whatever. Whatever happens, man. Let's do number two. Let's do numero dos. Let's do the snowboard one. It.
Poor little lungs.
In a great big world.
Okay, so for this one, I think it's best for me to just do it line by line because the other ain't working out, to be honest with you. Sounds great. Count me in. That was solid. Woohoo! I am shredding it. Woohoo! I am shredding it. Oh, shit, is my voice changed? Oh, no. This ain't good. No, this ain't good. Sounds great. Count me in. Woohoo! I am shredding it. Woohoo! I am shredding it. My little lungs can't get enough air. My little lungs can't get enough air. My little lungs can't get enough air. Whoa, ah. So what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of almost like flexing my abs, trying like to act like I have no breath. Honestly, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna hold my breath. I don't know if I may have done this when I did this in the studio, but woohoo! I am shredding it. My little lungs can't get enough air. Ow! Ah! Ow! My little lungs can't get enough air. Ow. Ow. I think that's good enough, man. I don't really know. We'll see if it... Do you think it sounds similar? We'll see what the clients in New York say. I did this 4 years ago. I don't think my voice has changed. So, I don't really know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is how I do voiceovers normally. And also, if you want to see some videos... Sorry, my hair's in my eye. If you want to see some videos of me that are just like tips on acting or doing acting, let me know. Because like holding your breath for this, like that little thing. If your character's supposed to have been running for like a mile, just hold your breath for like 30 seconds. Some people do it. I don't know. It is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe out there. I really hope you guys are all well. And make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button. I don't know why I can never ever say that. Tell your friends, spread some love. I really want to start getting into YouTube a lot more, so please share. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Ooh, bye. That was weird as hell.